Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the new video. Today we are going to see some beautiful bikes and you will love them. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching the video, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel as it helps me to make more videos. These bikes designs are very beautiful. The heavy bikes are very beautiful. The heavy bikes are very dangerous. The bike is very nice and awesome. The cafe racer bike is very beautiful. The heavy bike is very nice and scenery. The bike is very amazing and nice. The bike is very cool and awesome. The bike engine is very amazing and beautiful. The bike is very nice and great. The cafe racer bike is very beautiful. The red color bike is very beautiful and awesome. The black color bike is very beautiful and amazing. The bike is very nice and amazing. Yellow color heavy bike is very beautiful. The white color bike is very beautiful and amazing. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Black bike is very nice bike. The bike is very beautiful and awesome. The bike is very beautiful and amazing. Blue and black color Abby bike is very beautiful. Yellow and black color is very beautiful bike. Suzuki bike is very nice bike. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe to channel. Also tell me in comments which type of more videos you want. The rider bike is very beautiful. The red and white heavy bike is very nice bike. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Okay.